Ever pondered the magic behind Docker's ability to isolate processes in containers? It's a tale woven with ingenuity, innovative use of Linux systems, and a dash of tech wizardry. Today, we unravel this fascinating story, diving deep into the world of Linux namespaces. Imagine you're on a bustling street, filled with people, each in their own world, unaware of the others. This is akin to a typical computer system, teeming with processes, each running in their own space, oblivious to the presence of the others. But what happens when these processes need to be isolated, secured, and kept away from each other? Enter the unsung hero of our story, namespaces. Namespaces in Linux are the silent guardians that provide lightweight process virtualization, creating a sense of solitude amid the chaos. They act like invisible walls, segregating processes and ensuring they remain blissfully ignorant of each other's existence. There are several types of namespaces, each playing a distinct role in the grand scheme of isolation. PID namespaces keep process IDs separate, ensuring that each process believes it's the only one in existence. Network namespaces bestow each process its own network stack, making it believe it's the only one connected to the internet. Mount namespaces ensure each process has its own unique view of the file system, keeping them safely isolated. Now, how does Docker, the popular containerization platform, leverage these namespaces? Docker, like an adept magician, uses namespaces to create isolated environments for containers. Each Docker container lives inside its own set of namespaces, blissfully unaware of the existence of other containers. Thus, processes in one container cannot interfere with those in another, ensuring both security and efficiency. Consider a real-world example. Imagine two Docker containers, each running a web server. Thanks to PID namespaces, each container sees itself as having the only running web server, oblivious to the other's existence. Similarly, thanks to network namespaces, each container believes it's the only one connected to the internet, thereby ensuring no interference between containers. In summary, namespaces are the invisible pillars that support the efficient and secure functioning of containerization platforms like Docker. They ensure each process lives in its own isolated world, free from interference and secure from threats. Without namespaces, the bustling street of processes would be a chaotic mess, with collisions and conflicts galore. So the next time you marvel at the isolation Docker containers provide, remember the unsung hero of our story, namespaces. They are the silent guardians that make this isolation possible, ensuring that each process can live in its own peaceful, segregated world.